Powerful integration between Freshservice and Salesforce, giving your agents real-time customer data right inside their tickets. Instead of switching tabs or digging through Salesforce, agents now get the full customer context inside Freshservice. The app securely connects to your Salesforce instance and displays key customer information in the right panel. This includes contact details, account information, phone numbers, and opportunities. Setting up the integration is quick and straightforward. In the Configuration tab, start by connecting your Freshservice and Salesforce accounts. On the left, enter your Freshservice details, your Freshservice domain, URL, your Freshservice API key. On the right, provide your Salesforce credentials, consumer key, consumer secret username password. Finally, add your organization's admin email for notifications and updates. Once all fields are filled, click Connect. The integration securely verifies your credentials and establishes a real-time connection between Freshservice and Salesforce. The next step is field mapping. This is where you choose which Salesforce fields should appear inside Freshservice. You can map contact fields, lead fields, account information, and opportunities. This lets you customize the sidebar so your agents see only what's relevant. We're here to make your integration seamless. If you need help with setup, or you're looking for custom development to match your workflow, just reach out to us. We're always happy to assist.